Hello and welcome. My name is Dr. Kathy Goodman, and I'll be your professor for the week for Healthcare Leadership, Section 708A, Week 8. You can look forward to us discussing leadership styles and traits, exploring care delivery redesign using quality metrics. We'll also talk about how DEI drives positive change in health equity and the use of data science on a granular level. Your learning objectives for healthcare leadership is that students will be able to evaluate how great leaders use data analytics and data science as great focal points to drive high performing organizations. This will be done by analyzing case studies, assessing outcomes, and justifying best practices. Over the past couple of weeks in this course, you've learned to evaluate how healthcare leaders create efficient, high performing organizations. Here, we will recap some of the previous week's discussions in healthcare leadership styles, innovative strategies, and how data analytics guide performance on a granular level. What kind of leader are you? By now, you will have identified and learned how healthcare leaders use different levels of leadership traits to promote successful system redesign. Consider the 12 leadership styles. Good leadership builds trust and allows staff to feel safe, supported, and valued. Leadership strategies for social determinants of health would use data analytics for each health indicator as it relates to each social group and subcategories, such as region, economic status, ethnic group, education, and quality of life. In care delivery models, discharge planning care management is focused system-wide for appropriate utilization of care. Data analytics can help drive the focal point and need for clinical and social risk adjustments. Also, data analytics is very important for targeting reimbursement opportunities and financial sustainability for the organization. Leadership should evaluate the confidentiality and exclusivity of transmitting technologies obtained by healthcare providers. By implementing these modified EMARs, interfacing with diagnostic results, and transmitting media will allow for effective, time-driven, equity-focused intervention. Leadership should take a look at the initial applications of big data analytics, which has been proven successful in the various phases of chronic disease management and can help reduce chronic disease burden of cardiovascular, respiratory, and cancer diseases. Healthcare leadership best practices in ethics and social care should consider theories on ethics on how to navigate through dilemmas to increase the chances of successful negotiation, interacting with hospital staff and case management to complete a shared governance and monitor outcomes using data science. Reflective thoughts. How can health leaders bridge the gap system-wide in awareness? What examples or resources such as data analytics or quality improvement processes can be measured for population health as it relates to social determinants of health, health injustice, and DEI within the healthcare system? Reflective essay due week 8 at 11:59 p.m. on Sunday Central Time. For the past several weeks, we've explored how data science has applied to healthcare delivery models and stratified patient care needs. For your reflective essay, summarize what you've learned and write a 2-page essay covering the key talking points below. Be sure to use APA style in your writing. Review the reflective essay rubric to assure you receive the highest possible grade and reference all the key points when incorporating and providing concise understanding for your essay. Key reminder for your final essay, over the past couple of weeks, we've explored key areas of healthcare leadership, including style, ethics, motivation, and crisis response. For your final paper, you're expected to write 3 to 5-page essay adhering to APA standards, covering the questions as, what does leadership look like? How much leadership should understand ethics and policy? What style best fits you? How technology enhances leadership? What personal traits do you develop? How can leaders motivate teams to challenge themselves? How should they act during a crisis? This paper should be 3 to 5 pages long, double space, 12 font APA style, with a title and reference page. It's due on Saturday, August 24th, Central Time. I'm open for any questions at this time. If there are no questions, then I will leave you with the rest of your day, and all the best to the success of your course section.